Hello YouTube, welcome to Coding Paradise's third tutorial. Please go in the description for the previous video. If you have not watched them, please watch all of them in order or you will be a little lost. The file that I'm about to create is in the description if you don't feel like watching this video or you know the code, you just want to edit it. It's in the description. Alright, so we're going to right click on this. You can edit with Notepad or Notepad++. Again, I use Notepad++. So we're going to open a tab called Center. Okay. Now once you get the Center tab like that, we're going to click Enter. Now we're going to do the table border. Table border equals 0. And then we're going to do that. And we're going to go TR. Now we're going to go down a little bit. And now I'm just going to keep it like this. Now we're going to do TD width equals 100. And then we're going to do align center. And then we're going to do BG color equals we'll do white. Let's just do white. Okay. Oh, I forgot the quotations. See, everybody messes up sometimes. Alright, now we're going to do this. And we're going to name it, which is, this is the home page, basically. Now we're going to do /td. Now, what is this? What this is right now is the first navigation part of your navigation menu. So if we go on here, oh, never mind, 1 second, let me save this file. Now, if we open this up, this is basically your home page. So really, if you wanted to, you can rename this your home page, but whatever. Homepage, okay? So we're going to minimize that. Now you saw how that said home and it was white. That's because it's white right here and it says home. So this is the actual text and this is the color if you want to change that. Now, the next thing that you want to do so that all the tabs are together and they work functionally is you want to open TD again, okay? You put width 100. Width equals 100. Align center. Please pay attention very carefully for this part. Center. Now, after you put center, what you're going to do is you have the quotation, you go like this, and then open another one, put href equals quotation, and then what you want to name it. Now, if this is the contact page, please name it contact.html. If it's the forum page, name it forums.html. Name it what you're gonna name the file which you're going to use it. So I'm going to make this my forums page. So I'm going to put forums.html. Okay? And then after you put the forums or whatever you named it, now over here you put forums. Because this, again, this is the name. And it's not the color, I know, but this is what it's going to do. When you click on forums, what it's going to do is go to your computer basically and call this file, and when the file opens, it's going to open to this file that we're about to create, and you'll see. Okay, so now we're going to hit /td and close that up. All right, and then so now we're going to do one more page for today because I don't want to make it too long or make it too big. So we're gonna do you can just copy and paste this, by the way, and you can do like a contact page. Do contact, and then name it contact. Alright, so basically just copy all of this just for safekeepings, and then click File, New, paste it, and here you go. You can delete this because you don't really want the welcome on your forums page. If anything, you can keep one maybe and say, hi, this is forums. And you want to keep this because you want the background to still be black on all your pages, because I mean it's going to be kind of weird if each time you switch a page the background changes. Okay, so now that we have this, okay, we want to make this BG color white now, because this is when it calls to your computer and opens the forums, you want the forums tab to be highlighted with white, and you want the home tab to be like this tab was. So you probably sounds a little confusing. Just give me a second. Okay, BG color white. And then we can copy this down here. Paste it right here. Okay, now if you don't understand what I did, slow down the video or pause it or whatever. Now you're gonna make this test.html. Now you're probably wondering, why is it test? Because test is your home page, okay? Test is your home page. The forums is your forums.html page, which, as you can see, when you click on it, it calls the folder, right? Remember I said when you click on it, it's gonna call the folder. Well, it's calling this folder right here. As you can see, it just says new to right now, but it won't in a second. You click File, Save As, and then make sure you name it forums.html. So we're going to save that on our desktop. Save. Okay. Now this will happen. Alright. Now you want to make sure that you go down here and get the body and the close up tags, because you didn't get those last time. So we're going to paste those right here. HTML in the body. We're going to drop those down there. Okay, so here is your forums page, and this is what it says so far. Hi, this is forums. I put hi, this is cool, please sub. Okay, so I want to break it again. I'm going to break the line a couple times, do a couple line breaks, BR. Now this will move your tab page down, but that's okay. I like my tab page at the bottom. Once you see it, you might even like it yourself. So right now we're gonna check what we have so far if you still don't understand. So what you're still gonna do, you're not gonna open the forums page. You never just open it, okay? Just still open your test page and watch this. Oh, I already have it open once. Now load it up again. Oh God, I hate when it does this. Save. You gotta make sure you save all the files that you just messed with, basically. Okay, now you can see we have a forums and our contact page. The contact page isn't gonna say file not found. You wanna know why? Because we didn't create the contact page yet. Even though we have it here, it's going to your computer and trying to get this file, but guess what? See up here, it's not there. But if you go into the test, if it goes into your computer, calls the test folder, it's like, oh, it's here, it's opening. Now if it goes and calls the forum page, it's there, it's on your computer, but the contact page is not, which that's what we're about to do. So we're going to go to File, New again, and then we're going to go back to the forums page, copy everything that we have here, even the body and stuff. Now we're going to paste it, okay? So now we're going to drag this right here, copy, and paste it right there. Paste. But instead of it, we still don't want it to be test, and you got to make sure you add this too right here, this bracket right here that wasn't there after you copied it. Make sure you add that. Now this isn't test, remember, because what's the point of going to the forums? It's just going to call the test HTML up and it's going to open the home page, so then the forums page wouldn't work. So we're going to make this forums.html. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so basically it's going to go to your computer, call forums, and it's going to be there. But the contact page, which we're working on right now, is not there yet. So we're going to name it after, we're going to take off this href thingy, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to catch up and me catch my breath. Just kidding. Now we're going to do BG color equals tabs white, and then it'll call the contact page now. But guess what? You didn't save it yet, so it's still not going to be there. So you can space that, but I don't recommend it. Alright, now instead of hi, this is cool, please sub, this is going to say hi, this is the contact page. Oops. Contact almost done. Alright, now we're going to type file. Now we're going to click File, Save. We're going to, remember, you got to save it as contact.html. Because when it goes to your computer and looks for it, it needs to find it. You got to make sure you keep all the tabs and stuff like that in one place. Like, they should be on your desktop at all times, or when you go to open, it's going to say cannot find this file. So now we're going to reload it, okay? We're gonna go home. It's highlighted, nothing's here. We're gonna go here. Hi, this is a cool. Please sub. Contact. Hi, this is contact page. Almost done. See? Now I hope you got that because I can't really explain it any better. Now you can just exit out of this. Exit out of this. Now watch what happens when I open up the test. Okay. The test, I usually name it either your website name or I would name it homepage. Like I named mine Coding Paradise. I'll show you in a second. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to show you. Contact, forums, home. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for now. It opened up the pages. This has been tutorial 3. Rate, comment, like, subscribe. Next, we should actually be either working on a contact form or putting your domain in the HTML. If not that, then I'm gonna need you guys to give me some ideas. I'm kind of running out of ideas here, so please comment. Make sure you rate, subscribe, and like this video. This has been Coding Paradise, and I'm out.